Service skills that actually matter. No fluff. No nonsense. Decades of real-world service experience. Hospitality, retail, delivery, finance, telecom, tech, education. Customers who were happy, angry, confused, were all three at once. That's what went into the ITSSCT Service Expert Training series, covering business, legal, psychology, personal situation concerns, and computer science topics around modern service provision. This curriculum is a serious, modern, future-proof service training for anyone who wants to be good at what they do, whether you're just starting out or already well on your career path. What makes it different? Carefully selected courses, where you can learn your way in various learning methods. Reading, podcasts, videos, quizzes, flashcards, and even game mode learning. Built for today's service world, including agility, AI, and multi-channel reality. Tough by design, because we do not wish to distribute worthless certificates like other certification mills. What you get, 28 course certificates that actually mean something, plus animation to commitment to improving oneself, studying, and sponsor your desire to excel in this field. Skills you can use on Monday morning. Confidence when things go sideways, because they will. The price, free. No discounts. No fake urgency. No last chance banners. Purchasing the ITSSCT Service Expert Diploma is entirely optional once you've completed all courses. You'll already have earned 28 individual certificates along the way. If you found the free training valuable and would like to help keep this program accessible for others, you can choose to order your diploma at the end as a way of supporting the initiative. This is the best offer for real knowledge. If you believe service is more than smiling and apologizing, this one's for you. Scan the QR code. Become a dedicated service expert. Your potentially new employer, boss, and your customers will notice the difference.